Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you about my popular white rice recipe that went viral and everybody's asking me for it. I shared it on Thread and it's right now sitting at 7,500 likes, a bunch of shares, and people asking it for it. So here it is. So you'll need a pot like this. I will link it in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. The pot you use matters, okay? It matters. They're not expensive, like $27. This one from Amazon. So in your hot pot, add some olive oil. You can use other kind of oil, but olive oil is my favorite oil. It's healthy, it's really delicious, so that's what I like to use. When the oil gets hot, add the green onions, 2 green onions, between 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You want to let it get a little toasty and add some white onion or yellow onion. If you have yellow onion, it's best to use yellow onion than white onion. It's more flavors. So let the onion and the garlic get infused in the olive oil. Cook it on medium heat. It's important to manage your heat, okay? Because we want the rice to be perfect. So give it a stir. Let it get infused for 2 to 3 minutes. When it gets a little bit brown like this, go ahead and add water. So for this recipe, I'm using white basmati rice, and for the ratio for this is the ratio for this is 3 cups of water, 2 cups of rice for white basmati rice. If I was using jasmine rice, I would have done 2 cups of water because basmati rice take a little bit more water to cook comparing to jasmine rice. So once you add your water, season with salt. I added half a tablespoon of salt. Cover it, let the water get to a boil, and boil it on medium heat. Keep the heat on medium. And be sure to rinse your rice, okay? It's important to rinse your rice. It's a cultural thing, so do it. Um, if you're liking this recipe, please give it a subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me for more. I can't even speak right now. I don't know. I'm tired. I need to go to bed. It's like 12:25 in the morning, so I'm hustling out here. So once the water boils, add your rinsed rice to the water, give it a stir, and cover it and let it cook on medium heat. You don't want to do high heat. You want it to be cooked properly, slowly, perfectly. Okay? Give it a taste to see if the salt is good enough for you. If you eat less salt, you don't need any more salt, to be honest with you. Especially whether eating it like that or pairing it with something else, salt is fine. So once you add the rice, give it a stir, cover it, and let it cook. Let the water dries up all the way. Once the water dries up all the way, you're gonna give it another stir, and then you will cover it and let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. That's the secret. It looks like it's not gonna be cooked. You see, you want the rice to be above the water. When you add the rice to the water, it should look like a little mountain. It should scare you, thinking like, oh my gosh, this is probably not gonna be cooked. I promise you it will. So that's how you know you're gonna have perfect rice. Cover it, let it steam from 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Low heat, okay? And you have perfect rice that you can eat like that by itself. It's amazing. Pair it with sauce pois, legume, whatever stew that you want. It's one of my comforting food. I'll just make it like this and I'll just sit there and eat it just like that by itself. It's so good. Everybody loves it. So my recipe went viral on the internet. So here I am sharing it today, November 21st, right now. Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday now. It's midnight. So this is the recipe, you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.